Welcome to our tutorial on the do-until loop. Do-while, as we know, continues to execute the body of the loop as long as the comparison statement remains true. The do-until loop is a little bit different. It continues the execution of the body of the loop until the comparison statement returns a false value. Okay, let's put a different value in integer b. Let's say 5. By the way, if we run the program at this point, we'd have an infinite loop problem. See my message box function here? This is the only reason that this loop wouldn't crash my computer, because I need this message box to collect input from the user. Let's run my loop and see how it works. I'm going to enter the number 1 and test. See how the value keeps increasing? I've got no way of stopping this program. The only way to stop it is to press Control Break and then click End. In order to make this loop work correctly, we've got to do some more changes in our code. And integer a here too. Now what happens? The comparison statement will return a false value until the value stored in integer a exceeds the value stored in integer b. Let's check it out, see how it works. Test. Okay, and the loop stopped. And this concludes our tutorial on the do-until loop.